Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn the firewall on and off in Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to Privacy and Security. Now click on Windows Security. Here you can see Open Windows Security. Click on it. Now you can see here Firewall and Network Protection. Press on it. Now here you can see the options of Domain Network, Private Network and Public Network. You have to click on Public Network. Now you can see here Microsoft Defender Firewall. You just have to turn off this button to disable this, or you have to turn on this button to enable this. So this is how you can turn the firewall on and off in Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.